Functional floor plan with style and ambience. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, approx 3,679 square feet. Gourmet kitchen featuring granite counters, tile travertine backsplash, wood engineered floors, eating area with built-ins, stainless steel appliances, pantry, pendant lights and more. Elegant formal dining room with coffered ceilings, spacious living room with custom built-ins and gas fireplace. 2 masters. 1 on main level with French doors and private bathroom. Upstairs spa-like master suite with large closet featuring custom soft close drawers and cabinets, private bathroom with tile floors, tile surround shower and soaking tub. Large bonus room on upper level with French doors leading to private courtyard with tile floors.